trying to put a whole set.
Babe Ruth, Roberto Clemente, all the stars.
Mickey Mantle, you name it.
You're going to get a patch.
Ted Williams.
Pay $25 a box. You're going to get a patch.
I think they're very nice looking.
I didn't get no shorts, but I got.
Who's that? Oh yeah.
There's your Josh Beckett.
Garrett Temple. That saved me like $6 on eBay.
What are y'all doing, y'all? Filming this?
Get your alma mater on it.
You like that? Pet it and
These guys like it. They go through 3 or 4 cases every year.
Toney Douglas.
$2.99.
Harry Douglas? Harry's brother.
You got 2 autographs already?
Yeah.
How many hits per box?
4.
There we go.
Come on.
Dodgers and Braves. Bottom of the second.
What
One
a
out.
joy, man.
Adam's the newest Brave coming up to death.
That him right there?
You don't know where the ballpark is.
9 days with the Boston Red Sox,
Yeah.
and he's already traded?
Yep.
Yeah.
Traded from Pittsburgh to Boston on July 22nd. Was it something said?
He was in Pittsburgh, but just they did.
Who is that?
Hey guys, if they were to open a box,
When he was in
what do y'all think? Allen and Ginter or
LaRoche, 3 good years here in
Legendary
Atlanta. 2004, 5,
Icon?
6.
Adam depends on what they're after.
Hit 65 home runs for the Braves, including a career high
I like Alan
in 2006.
24 packs.
Frank Thomas. As long as it ain't that guy again. Forgot Frank Thomas isn't. There's some baseball guys.
Hey, Dale. Send that little boy here.
Adam LaRoche making his second debut with the
Send that little
Braves.
boy
To 25.
Acquired for Casey Cochran.
This is a little ball.
Was acquired by the Braves in the March Garrett deadline deal last year. What do you think of some of the trade deadline moves? Boy, there was some good stuff. There were
Get
a
Michael
number of
Jordan.
moves involving
I don't see a redemption, probably.
Yeah, probably so.
I want Kobe.
Well, that'd be nice. Definitely.
I'll take Jordan though.
for 4 minor leaguers. How about his Phillies debut last night? He really struggled out in San Francisco last
Jenny
night.
Finch.
Almost threw a no-hitter.
I would
Jenny
have took
Finch, son
that.
of a gun. That'd have been nice.
Would have took Marcus Starr.
She's in there too?
Pulling the trigger on the LaRoche for contract
I'd like to get an
deal
autograph.
yesterday. Braves also made a couple of moves earlier in the season. Prior to
Ooh.
LaRoche. Now, 3 balls, 1 strike.
That's him, huh?
Now, one of the things
2 more.
A Pirate, a Red Sox, and then the Braves.
Pirates since they traded him.
Marcus Starr was
Huh?
all over this box.
Years ago.
Oh, yeah?
A couple years ago.
Same damn dude I have already.
Really good friends with Jim.
back-to-back walks.
Yeah, he was the Brave before, right?
Yeah.
That's
Need a
right.
box saver.
With only 1 out. Next week on Fox Saturday Baseball, the Yankees and Red Sox get together. Some of you will see the Angels and
Wonder why they traded him.
Fox Saturday Baseball.
Hey, Bobby.
Body washer.
That would have been nice.
Garnett.
Yeah.
What do you got?
Yeah. I
Mickey
would've
Mantle?
took
Great.
Would have definitely took Garnett.
Mark separated by a game and a half. In the American League East,
Great.
Garrett Temple.
Yankees have gone 0-8
What's this one look at?
Boston this season.
That's about 25 at least.
Half going into the division.
I would have took
Might be
that.
higher.
And that.
Big time run.
Look at that. They get shorted and all
How
that.
about the last pack?
Here it
Huh?
comes. Here it comes. What number, Cecil, is that?
69.
Uh-oh.
Oh, that's in the next group.
I got the second series up there now.
Do you?
Oh, very bad.
Close as I could get to them. They were 22 something.
Hernandez on deck.
Okay, you can cut it.